Hey, if you're watching this video, it's probably because I sent you to this webpage and you are also a faith-based father with a son who is entering those teenage years, those adolescent years, and he's learning what it means to become a man. I just wanted to share my heart and huge passion that I have. As you know, if you know me at all, I have a huge passion for Spain. I go there all the time, and I have hiked part of the Camino de Santiago numerous times, both with students, with a group of other faith-based men, and also with my son. And I've got something really cool coming up, June 2024. It is the first ever father-son hike of a lifetime on the Camino de Santiago. I remember the day my son Riley was born, and one of the promises I made, one of the dedications I've made to him was to become the best version of myself as his father and grow and develop a deep and loving father-son relationship. And I'm not perfect at it. I screw it up sometimes. But what I've found is one of the most and biggest ways that I've been able to do that is to be very intentional with the time I spend, the conversations I have, and the things that we're discussing. So we are going to take a group of 7 fathers and sons over to Spain to hike 6 days, 72 miles. It's 200,000 steps. We're going to be in the middle, some of the most beautiful scenery in Spain, totally unplugged from the rest of the world, where we can completely focus on our sons. These stories we have with our sons, the things that we need to have as important discussions, the ways that we need to show our sons who they are in the eyes of God, how they're designed, and what we see in them as our fathers. We're going to discover and work through maybe some baggage and things that we've both been carrying that need to be talked about. And we are going to do so in the presence of other intentional men and fathers that want the same thing in their relationship with their son. Now, while we're doing that, we are going to have the hike and adventure of a lifetime. This is a bucket list adventure, and we are going to dine on some of the most amazing cuisine that northern Spain has to offer. I've got some very intentionally planned activities, challenges, experiences, and surprises that are going to give you and your son a once-in-a-lifetime, never going to forget it type of experience. If you're interested in this adventure, read the rest of the website below, fill out that form, and let me know. I'd love to share more.